Welcome back to AI XB Evolve, where we delve into the future of artificial intelligence and digital innovation. In today's video, we're going to uncover an AI secret that will transform the way you create content for your blog, social media, and even affiliate marketing. Say goodbye to creative blocks and hello to endless AI-generated content. Have you ever sat down, staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write next? Whether you're a marketer, freelancer, or content creator, we've all been there. But what if I told you there was an AI tool that could take a keyword and turn it into a full, optimized article in seconds? That's exactly what we're talking about today. With the rise of AI-powered content generators, anyone can now create high-quality, SEO-friendly content without having to spend hours brainstorming or writing. And I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing using one of my favorite tools, Gravity-Write AI. Let's get started. Open your favorite browser, go to Insert Tool URL, and press Enter. When the homepage appears, click on Login. If you don't have an account, just log in with Google or create one. It takes less than a minute. After logging in, a main interface will appear that contains a summary of all the AI features. But this interface can be a bit tricky for beginners, so we go to the new interface and click on Try New UI. Oh, Gravity-Write AI has created a completely new interface that is friendly, beautiful, and has some enhanced features like AI chat, as powerful as GPT chat, and an AI image generator that creates images from text, similar to Leonardo AI. Now you're ready to exploit the full potential of AI content creation. Once inside, it's time to get creative. Let's say you want to write a post about 5 ways to make money from your blog using AI. You just need to select AI Blog Writer, enter that topic into the tool, choose the options in the Select the Content Source box, select Language, and hit Create. Boom! In just a few seconds, you'll have a complete post ready to publish. Want to make this tool even more powerful? Not only can you create content, but the AI tool also allows you to optimize for SEO. Enter a title, select your target audience, and input your focus keywords, such as AI content creation, blog monetization, or affiliate marketing strategies, and watch the AI seamlessly integrate these keywords into your content. Enter the word count for the post, and hit Create Content. Boom! You're on your way to a complete, SEO-friendly article that's easy for everyone to reach. One of the coolest features is the ability to adjust the tone and structure of the article. Do you want it to be friendly, professional, informative? No problem. You can customize it to suit your audience, making the content even more engaging. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Will this actually work for me? The answer is yes. I've used AI to create affiliate marketing content for an international audience. Even though I'm not fluent in every language, the tool can create content in English, French, Thai, Japanese, and more. This is where the magic happens. By using AI to scale your content creation, you can produce more posts, target more segments, and drive more traffic to your blog or website. And that means passive income. If you're serious about taking your content creation to the next level, or if you're a marketer looking for the perfect AI companion, this is it. Head over to Gravity-Write AI, try it for free, and let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy. Thanks for watching AI XB Evolve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more AI tips and tricks. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.